Hello everyone, and welcome. We are so excited to have you join us for Coding for Kids, brought to you by Learn IT Labs. Our motto is simple: anyone can learn it. Get ready to explore a whole new world of creation and fun. So, what are we going to cover today? We'll start with the big questions. What is coding? And why should your child learn it? We'll look at the course content, share all the details, and answer your most frequently asked questions. Our goal is to show you that coding is fun. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is coding? Simply put, coding is how we talk to computers. But why do we need to talk to them? Imagine planning a birthday party. You can't just say, have a party. You need step-by-step instructions. First, invite friends. Then, buy the cake. Then, put the candles on, and so on, until everyone can enjoy the cake. Well, computers are a lot like little babies. They are incredibly fast, but they don't understand big ideas. They need step-by-step, simple instructions for everything they do. Computers also need our inputs to work. For example, when you tap a screen to start a game, you are giving the computer an input. So, here's the summary. Coding is giving step-by-step instructions to computers.
Ja, ich kann das nicht spielen. Ich kann.
Just like people speak different languages, English, Spanish, French, computers understand different programming languages. Examples include Java, C++, and the language we will learn, Python. Now, the biggest question is, why learn coding? It's not just about becoming a software developer. Coding is a superpower for the mind. It teaches your child so much more than just programming commands. It fuels creativity, sharpens problem-solving and logical reasoning, promotes structured thinking, and best of all, it's fun and engaging. Don't just take our word for it. Steve Jobs said, everybody should learn to program a computer, because it teaches you how to think. Bill Gates said, learning to write programs stretches your mind, helpful in all domains. Even young coders like Tanmay Bakshi, who started at 5, and Samira Mehta, a 10-year-old founder and CEO, prove that if you have curiosity, you can start building amazing things today. Our course is all about an introduction to Python. We will cover core building blocks like simple programs, data, conditions, and loops. We chose Python because it is known for being easy to learn, incredibly popular, and leads to good job opportunities in fields like web applications, cloud services, and artificial intelligence. To get started, we'll guide you through installing Python and a friendly editor called Mu. This course is designed for 8 to 12-year-olds who have curiosity and access to a computer. The schedule is 3 weeks long, with 1-hour sessions every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, held online over Google Meet. We keep the learning engaging with fun assignments and quiz with stars. By the end of this course, your child will know basic programming concepts and be able to write simple programs and games. This is the exciting first step toward becoming a software developer. A common question is, will my kid become a coding ninja right away? This is a beginner's course, so while they won't be a ninja overnight, they will certainly become a coding cowboy or cowgirl, ready to ride into the next level of learning. And finally, why not start with Scratch Junior? While Scratch is fun, we believe in teaching the true coding of practical use that a language like Python does. We want to give your child a head start with a real, powerful programming language. Thank you for joining us for this introduction. We can't wait to welcome your child to Coding for Kids.